Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I installed this beautiful wig from AliPearl, and this is their HD lace straight wig, and the hair, amazing. I think this is one of my favorite wigs that I've ever put on. The hair quality is just so nice and like so soft, so shiny. Everything that you would want in a wig is what it is, and I will show like close-ups of the hair to show you how thick it is and how the lace looks. Yeah, this is, I believe, 24 inches. And you guys see how shiny it is? Like, what? It's so nice. HD lace, 13 by 4, and I forget the density, but I'll put everything in the description down below. And yeah, if you guys would like to see me install this wig, then keep on watching. Okay, so bald cap method's already on my head, and here is the wig. It is really nice and so shiny, and also really thick all the way throughout. You guys can see. Usually they're like thinner at the ends, but this one is like thick all the way through, and I'm so excited for this. Like, look at this. Y'all see this? I really hope that they actually send everyone the same thing, because I'm a hairstylist, and all my clients that order sometimes like from the same sites that I've tried out, like they sometimes don't get the same hair. So I'm really hoping that this company does, because that would be so rude. I don't know, that would be so annoying. But yeah, this is their HD lace wig, and you guys can see it is, I would say this is pretty much like actual HD lace. I have tried some that are more thinner, I would say, but this is still good. It's still really clear, and that's what HD lace should look like. If you see like a white cast or anything, then that's when it's transparent or Swiss lace, but this is actual HD lace. And I feel like I've tried this lace before last year on my West Kiss video, so it's pretty similar, and I've already bleached the knots. It bleached really well. You guys can see like it looks yellow, and that means that it can bleach really quick, and you could probably lift this up to like a really blonde color if you wanted to. And yeah, I didn't wash the hair or anything. I just rinsed off the bleach at the front. And the only thing about this wig is that it is a small size, and it's the type of lace that I don't explain it. I think it's called like, it's like square, like it's literally just a straight line for the lace. So with these types of lace, like it doesn't come all the way to cover my sideburns, so I'm definitely gonna have to cut the sides and like pull it forward so that it can fit. But yeah, I'm just gonna go put my foundation shade on here and cut the sides and just hope that I can bring it up closer. Okay, so I cut the sides, and what I mean by cutting the sides is, do you guys see this part? I just cut it like where the ears are, so it can kind of come closer, and it actually does work. I'll show y'all what it looks like. Okay. Alright, so now that I did that, you guys can see that this can come closer now, but before it was literally like this. It wasn't covering my sideburn, but since I cut it, I can bring it closer, and then you can always fix it up after, but since it's a black wig, it won't really be too noticeable, just this little part. And I did it on both sides, so that I can actually look like I have a regular size head, or else it'll make your head look super wide, like it'll just widen out on the sides. We don't need that. But this looks great. Now I feel like I need to pluck it up more, which I might just go ahead and do. Or I might pluck it after. I'll probably just pluck after, but it's looking good so far. Now I'm just going to mark up where I want my hairline to start, just using a pencil. So now that we have all of the dots, I know where the glue is going to go, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that now. And I lost, or I don't know, I just can't find my Ghost Bond, but I'm just going to use my Bold Hold Active, and I'm not sure how old this is, so I hope it still works. just going to clean up this area. So I'm gonna apply about 3 layers. I might do more, we'll see how this dries. I haven't used bold hold in a long time, so I hope it still works how it used to work. Just clip that. Okay, so now that we've applied all the layers, it should be dry. And I'm just going to start with the middle first. And all you want to do is match up the dots. This is probably the easiest way to get like a perfect application. So I've got to use the elastic real quick because the sides just keep lifting. Just because I told you guys that it doesn't really fit my head. Okay, so I got the elastic on and I'm going to wait about 5 minutes and hopefully everything is still stuck. Alright, time to remove this elastic that's cutting my circulation off. Ooh, okay. Alright, looks like everything is stuck. I hope it doesn't move. Yeah, that's good. Perfect, now it's time to cut the lace. I'm going to try and cut as much of it as I can while right here, but then I'm probably going to have to go and cut the rest off camera. So, yeah. I literally can't see the side. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I'm gonna go cut the rest of it off camera just because this lace is like literally blending with my skin and I can't tell what I'm cutting, so I'll be right back. Okay, I think I figured it out. Some parts were like lifting and I had to like recut it and apply more glue and stuff. It was just a hot mess, but I think I got it figured out. I'm just letting it do its thing one more time, and I also sprayed some Got2b so it could like keep it laid down. And in the meantime, I think I'm gonna do a middle part for this wig, so I'm just gonna use my hot comb and my wax stick from Edge Booster wax stick. I don't know which one's the name, Style Factor or Edge Booster, but this one, and I'm just gonna do that with my hot comb. So the trick to getting it really flat is going like section by section, putting some wax stick just only on the roots, and then really like pressing down with this part as well, like not just brushing through but pressing just like that. Ooh, I'm so excited. Other side. This hair is so soft, so nice. One of the nicest hairs like that I've tried in a long time. Alright, and I'll probably fix the middle part later once the elastic is off, just so I can see where it actually is. But it's so nice and so soft. Alright, now I'm going to straighten the hair, and I don't really need to straighten it too much since the back is already straight. I didn't even touch it. I didn't touch the back or wet it or anything, only the front was. So I'm just going to apply some heat protectant just to make it shiny. And my straightener is the Babyliss Titanium Pro, I'm pretty sure. This hair is so silky. I'm so amazed by it. And like I mentioned before, I'm just lightly going over this part. It's already straight. Ooh, this hair. Do you see this? Look. Like, wow. Another side done. So nice. I wonder how many times I've said so nice in this video. Okay. I'm starting to get a headache, so I'm going to remove this before I finish straightening. Oh no. Okay, this is really stuck. What the heck? Okay. I need to go clean this part up. Or let me see if I can do it here. Okay, I think I cleaned it off. I just used some alcohol and it's not looking too bad. I wish it just looked better, but it's okay. It's okay. And this was all my fault. I should have brought my actual glue that I use, but whatever, live and you learn. So before I straighten it, I'm just gonna fix the middle part. It's actually not that far off. At least it's really, like, it's really flat. It's laying super flat. So that is awesome. Look at that. Now let me just finish straightening this. And it straightens so well, that's how you know it's actually good hair. Because other times it'd be like little pieces hanging out and stuff, but it's just all flat. Beautiful. Perfect. All right. This looks so good. You can literally stop here, but we need the baby hairs. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so for the baby hairs, I want them to be super extra. Just want it to go like this and like kind of go into the hairline and just look really natural. So and I'm going to hot comb them forward. And then I wanted one in the front as well. Super light. Like that. Okay, so now that we have the hairs, the baby hairs like sectioned out, I'm just gonna cut them. And I'm gonna keep these a little longer than usual. So now using this little straightener, it's the K&K Professional, I'm going to curl all of the hairs. Okay, I think I got everything curled, and now I'm going to use the ORS Fix It Super Hold Spray, and I'm going to spray that on the brush. And then I'll fix them later, but for now, let's just lay them first. Ooh, this is literally what I wanted. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's looking good. This is so hard to do, like when I can't be up close. So many little hairs going around. I think we're good. Okay, I think I need to fix this off camera. I need to go up a little bit closer just because I can't see, but I'll be right back. Okay, so I did my edges and I love them. It turned out really, really cute. I just wish this side was on this side because this is my good side, but I think I'll just have to pluck it like later on, or I think it's still cute. I really do like it. And I also like the middle ones, how messy, kind of fluffy they are. And now all that's left is the middle part. And so, let me just make sure. Okay, I believe that's middle. And I don't think I'm going to pluck it just because I did over bleach this wig, so all I'm going to do is just put my concealer on it. I'm just using a smaller mirror. Okay, I think I'm done. I don't know if I'm tripping or if I just can't tell where my middle part is today, but I'll figure this out off camera. But for now, we are all done, and I love this install. Here is the final look. This hair is one of my favorites, honestly, because it is so soft. I don't think I've tried like a wig this soft this year, aside from my 30 or was it the 40-inch 5x5 wig. I haven't had hair this nice. Oh, and my West Kiss wig, but other than that, this is super soft, like no tangles at all. It's so nice and thick, but not like overwhelmingly thick. And I love the lace. The lace looks awesome, you guys can see. And yeah, it just like moves as if it's your own hair. It's giving me silk press. And that is it for the video. I think I just had to touch up some things off camera, but I like to be like up close to a mirror when I do my hair. I can't really like tell from too far. I don't know, it's weird, but I think it ended up being really cute. And if you guys do want to purchase this hair, I will put all of the information in the description down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you guys did enjoy. And I'll see you in my next video.